After a day at the beach, your skin and hair have been exposed to a unique combination of sun, salt water, and sand. These elements can strip away natural moisture, leaving skin feeling dry and hair looking dull or tangled. Prolonged sun exposure may also contribute to premature aging and increase the risk of damage. Understanding how these factors affect your body is essential for maintaining healthy skin and hair. Proper post-beach care helps restore hydration, soothe irritation, and protect against long-term effects. A day at the beach can be refreshing, but it also exposes your skin and hair to several harsh elements. Prolonged sun exposure can lead to sunburn, premature aging, and increased risk of skin damage. Salt water strips away natural oils, leaving both skin and hair feeling dry and brittle. Meanwhile, wind accelerates moisture loss and can cause tangling and breakage in hair. Together, these factors can leave you feeling dehydrated and in need of extra care after your time by the sea. After spending time at the beach, it's important to rinse off salt water and sand as soon as possible. Salt and sand left on the skin can cause irritation and lead to dryness. A quick rinse with fresh water helps remove these residues, keeping your skin comfortable and healthy. This simple step is essential for maintaining skin hydration and preventing discomfort after a day by the sea. A gentle cleansing routine is essential for maintaining healthy skin, especially after a day exposed to sunscreen, sweat, and environmental impurities. Opt for a mild, fragrance-free cleanser that effectively removes buildup without disrupting your skin's natural barrier. Use lukewarm water and gently massage the cleanser in circular motions, avoiding harsh scrubbing. Rinse thoroughly and pat your face dry with a soft towel. This approach helps preserve your skin's natural oils, leaving it clean, balanced, and refreshed. After spending time in the sun, it's important to replenish your skin's moisture. Applying soothing lotions or aloe vera can help restore hydration and provide relief from any redness or sunburn. These products work by calming irritated skin and supporting its natural healing process. Regular use can help maintain a healthy, comfortable complexion after sun exposure. Sunburn can be uncomfortable and damaging, but there are effective ways to treat and prevent it. To soothe sunburned skin, apply cool compresses or take a gentle, cool bath. Moisturizing lotions, especially those containing aloe vera, can help reduce discomfort and promote healing. Preventing sunburn is best achieved by using broad-spectrum sunscreen, wearing protective clothing, and avoiding peak sunlight hours. If the sunburn is severe, accompanied by blisters, fever, or signs of dehydration, it is important to seek medical attention promptly. Restoring moisture to dry or damaged hair is essential for maintaining its health and vitality. Deep conditioning treatments penetrate the hair shaft, delivering intense hydration and nourishment. Leave-in conditioners provide ongoing moisture throughout the day, helping to smooth frizz and improve manageability. By incorporating these products into your routine, you can revive your hair's softness and shine, making it more resilient to everyday stressors. After spending time in salty air and wind, hair can become especially prone to tangles and breakage. To protect your strands, it's important to detangle gently, starting from the ends and working your way up to the roots. Using a wide-tooth comb or your fingers helps minimize stress on the hair. Patience and a gentle touch can prevent unnecessary damage and keep your hair healthy and strong. Exposure to sunlight can significantly impact both the color and texture of your hair. To minimize damage, it is important to use products specifically formulated for sun-exposed hair. These products often contain UV filters and nourishing ingredients that help preserve vibrancy and maintain softness. By incorporating them into your routine, you can protect your hair from fading and dryness caused by prolonged sun exposure. This approach ensures your hair remains healthy and vibrant throughout the season. Hydration plays a crucial role in helping your skin and hair recover after sun exposure. Drinking plenty of water replenishes moisture lost through sweating and helps maintain the skin's natural barrier. Well-hydrated skin is more resilient, reducing the risk of dryness and peeling. Similarly, Adequate hydration supports healthy hair by preventing brittleness and promoting shine. Making water intake a priority can significantly aid in the recovery process after spending time in the sun. After a day at the beach, it's common to focus on rinsing off sand and rehydrating, but certain areas often get overlooked. Lips, for example, can become dry and chapped from sun and salt exposure. Applying a nourishing lip balm helps restore moisture and comfort. Sensitive spots like the tops of ears or around the eyes may also benefit from gentle moisturizers. Taking a few moments to care for these areas can make a noticeable difference in how your skin feels and recovers. After spending time at the beach, it's important to choose skin and hair care products that help restore moisture and protect against environmental stress. Look for ingredients like aloe vera and hyaluronic acid, which provide deep hydration and soothe sun-exposed skin. Antioxidants such as vitamin E and green tea extract can help combat free radical damage. For hair, nourishing oils like argan or coconut oil help replenish lost moisture and reduce dryness. These ingredients work together to support recovery and maintain healthy skin and hair after a day in the sun and salt water. It's important to be mindful of your skincare routine, especially after spending time in the sun. Over-exfoliating can strip the skin of its natural barrier, making it more vulnerable to irritation and damage. Using harsh products immediately after sun exposure can further aggravate sensitive skin and delay the healing process. Opt for gentle, soothing products and allow your skin time to recover. Taking these precautions helps maintain healthy, resilient skin. Maintaining healthy skin and hair during the summer requires consistent, long-term strategies. Regular use of sunscreen helps protect skin from harmful UV rays, while hydrating both internally and externally supports overall skin health. Incorporating gentle cleansing routines and avoiding harsh chemicals can prevent dryness and irritation. For hair, minimizing heat styling and using protective products can reduce damage caused by sun exposure and humidity. Establishing these habits ensures that your skin and hair remain resilient and vibrant throughout the summer months. To wrap up, remember that effective post-beach care starts with rinsing away salt and sand as soon as possible. Use gentle cleansers and hydrating products to restore moisture to both skin and hair. Applying a nourishing moisturizer and a leave-in conditioner can help repair any dryness caused by sun exposure. Don't forget to soothe your skin with aloe or after-sun treatments if needed. By following these simple steps, you can maintain a healthy glow and keep your hair looking vibrant after every beach day.